Looking for a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in San Clemente, this could be the perfect fit for you. It's 1,351 square feet and it comes with all the delightful amenities of Talega. You even have this wonderful private balcony that gets great afternoon sunshine. Let's go inside and show you the rest. Stepping inside from the balcony, you'll enjoy this modern open concept. Living room, dining room connected to the kitchen, so everybody feels part of the action. You've even got a cozy fireplace right here in the living room. The kitchen has granite countertops and beautiful brown cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. You've even got bar seating comfortable for 2. The balcony is accessible from the living room and also from the primary suite here. When you purchase this condo, you get to enjoy this beautiful resort-like pool that's within your private community. Additionally, you have access to the Talega Swim Club and all of the Talega amenities. This is such a fun place to live. You've got access to hiking trails, biking trails, the golf course, and lots of other fun amenities. It's just a 12-minute drive to either the San Clemente Pier, where you can go swimming and surfing in the ocean, or the Dana Point Harbor, where you can enjoy all the water sports like jet skiing, whale watching, paddle boarding, and more. If you'd like a private tour of this home, contact me because it's not going to last long. All the information is in the description below.